I got a quarter glass. I'm gonna go in pull for. Oh, you cheating?
I don't know if it's cheating. I'm just really cheap, and I don't go buy that leveling tool from Equalizer.
Dad, I thought about my punishment.
Not now, Kason. That's how I do it. The only problem is if I get a phone call, I can't do anything about it.
But the bracket's still off. See, it's still leading, right?
Huh?
Isn't the bracket still off?
The bracket, it's on level. I leveled it. It's green. You can't see it?
No, I can see the green that's level, but I'm saying is the bracket off, or
Is the bracket off?
you know the back bracket, sometimes one leg's higher than the other.
Oh, well, that's a good point.
Close enough to level though, right?
Yeah. I hope so.
All right. Is that glass prepped yet or not yet, or not prepped?
It is. It is prepped.
Why do you got two phones?
Hey, Dad.
That's why I can do videos, Larry.